Welcome to my office. My name is Pat, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Freein Ice Barrel Pro today. I'm really excited to get this. As you can probably tell, I already opened it. It's kind of a quasi box opening experience, but I got so excited to see what was in, what the details were, what the inside scoop was, what the ingredients were, that I opened it previously. But still, this is kind of like an unboxing because I've got everything backpacked into it that was here. First of all, we have the double action hand pump. Put that, we'll just screw this on. Let's see. Okay, so this goes from about between 6 and 8 PSI, the inflation on it. And we've got that little meter here that will tell you that. Like I said, this is double action, so you go up and it pumps, and you go down and it pumps, which makes it really nice. This part's gonna connect to the ice barrel. And here's the ice barrel itself. It's double stitch. Actually, no, sorry. This is the actual lid. And it's really durable, great for insulation. This Ice Barrel Pro, I'm really excited because this material is 2-inch drop stitch, and it is kind of, I would equate it to like a whitewater raft, that kind of material. It's really durable material. I'm gonna do that here. This right here, I believe, is a patch kit. Yeah, that's a repair kit right there. So if you get any holes in it, any leaks, you can repair it. I'm gonna undo this and okay, so this is for the chiller. If you want to buy a chiller with it, this is the water in and water out to hook the chiller up to it. I don't have a chiller with it, so I am going to be putting ice in it. So yeah, let's see. It looks like I just I'll turn it around here. Actually, it's probably best if I start the inflation process. All right, that's the water in. Let's see, where is the? Oh, okay, here we go. Pretty simple to unscrew that and take this little apparatus and put it right here. Screw that on, it looks like. And then I'm gonna all right, so it took about 5 minutes to get this puppy all pumped up, and it's really, I'm really excited about it because this material, it's just really durable. I can tell. Really excited about it. We actually, it wasn't getting a good amount of air in there each time we pumped, so we just tightened this up. It was our fault. This right here, the PSI shows that it's about, I don't know, like 12 almost. I think they say that you're supposed to get 6 to 8, and I think we were just aiming for green. That's what we did, was looking for green, but it seems to be, hopefully it's okay. Next time I'll just do it 6 to 8 and see what the difference is. I just wanted to mention this is a carrying case, so it's really easy to pump up, and then when you deflate it, you unscrew this, screw it on the other side, and you can fold it up really easy. It's really mobile. Move it anywhere you want. You can take it to, I don't know, if you want to go take it camping with you, or take it to somebody else's house to demonstrate it, or have friends share in the fun. This is a carrying case. So now we're going to fill it up. Right now, I'll take off the take that off and tighten that. Right now in Utah, it's about 50 degrees outside here. It's been all 4 seasons in one day, but right now it's about 50 degrees. So benefits for my ice bath is between, I don't know, 50 degrees and underneath, but we're gonna go ahead and fill it up right now. So this will fill up. It's got about 101 gallon volume on it. It weighs only 17.2 pounds, which is really nice. Like I said, for the mobility, moving it around, packing it up, taking it wherever you want. This is 35 by 35 by 30. I'm 280 pounds, as you can probably tell. Got a daddy bump on me, and 6'4". And this thing, it looks like it's gonna fit me just perfect. So I'm excited about that. We'll go ahead and we'll let it fill up. Sure. Oh, by the way, I displace a lot of water being as heavy as I just told you I was. And so I'm gonna probably only fill this up about halfway, so maybe 50 gallons or so. And then I'm gonna put in 40 pounds of ice, I believe it is. So let's do it. You ever feel a little blue? I'm not exactly sure why, but I'm feeling a little blue right now. Fortunately, I know what to do about it. You may have a different approach than I do, but when I feel blue, I shed my skin off like a snake and I jump into extremely cold water. Yeah. Okay, so it's 50 degrees out and we put in some cold water from the hose. I'm sure it's no more than 50 degrees, and then we filled it up with 40 pounds of ice that's been kind of melting in there. So it's gonna be real nice and cold. So I changed from Cookie Monster into Ernie. I'll get me my rubber ducky. Whoops, it's not squeaky. Anyway, you get the idea. Rubber ducky, you're the one that makes ice baths lots of fun. Anyway, we're having a good time here. I displaced quite a bit of water, got it up to above my shoulders. Just so you know, I'm 280 pounds and 6'4". And so this fits me just perfectly. My knees are barely buttoned up against the sides, the edges of the pool. But that's just fine with me. And I like to take about a 5-minute ice bath in 40 to 45 degree water. And I know the chillers with Freein get to as low as like 37 degrees. So that's pretty awesome. All right, now I've been in here for about 5 minutes, and it might sound a little extreme to bathe in cold water to get rid of the blues, but it works for me. Initially, I transform into Ernie. Having a little fun little ice bubble bath. These are the bubbles. And then after about 5 minutes in the ice bath, my endorphins, they spike by about 250%. And I leave behind the Blue Monster and Ernie, and I transform into Elmo, who you all know to be fun-loving, playful, and happy. Check me out. Blue ceases to exist for me. You start to see me turn red. I haven't already. Anyway, that's my review of the Freein Ice Bath Pro. It's an awesome bathtub. It's really solid material, really durable. I love it. I'm excited to be. See, I'm getting more red all the time. Elmo, water out. All right, now I'm putting it on the deflate side. We actually, to speed up the process, we tipped over the ice bath to get all the water out. But I need to deflate it now. And so that's what I'm doing now. And this unit right here, it's really durable and so, I mean, we've already talked about that. So the price, you get what you pay for. It's $3.99. But that's definitely, in my experience with different ice baths, that's definitely worth it because it'll last you a long time. This is definitely the way to go. The Freein Ice Bath Pro. I love it.